they left. So the new Corvette has what they call a double clutch transmission. Okay, it's the same thing you'll get on a Ferrari. Okay, so the shifters work like so, but it has two clutches. So what that means is the clutch is already in first and second gear when you start. When you shift and you hit the paddle, it engages automatically the second gear, and then this clutch that was in first goes into third automatically. Okay, so your shift point is 1/10 of a second when you hit the pedal. Okay, if you leave it in drive mode automatically, it does it automatically in 1/10 of a second. You literally you lose no power. It just keeps going faster and faster and faster. We also have the 4 standard modes as far as track, weather, sport, and econ, or excuse me, my mode. And then you have this mode here, which is Z mode. Z mode is new for this year. So what Z mode is when you press that button, it's like extreme. So are you familiar with the Chrysler product, Dodge product?
I don't know.
So launch mode, if you will, but this is like race mode all the time. The reason why it's not on the dial, there's a separate mode that requires a push of a button to turn on and turn off, is because if they made that a standard mode of the car, then the car would have a gas guzzler tax of $2,000. So GM kind of cheated the system a little bit and created it to be a separate mode you can manually turn on and off. When you drive the car like that, it has the most aggressive shift points, acceleration, suspension, everything. So if you want to just have fun, you hit the button and go. So this is a Z51 package, by the way, which is available on the convertible. That's a Z51 that we have available, which is going to give you the Brembo brakes, the spoiler, and all the body features.
How much money is it?
This right here, this one as you see it right here is $92,000.
So it's actually more than the convertible.
No, the convertible will have a $20,000 premium above that.
Okay, so a lot lower.
Yeah, so it'll be $109,000. Yeah. but the car's 0 to 60 standard every time in 2.3 seconds. It's 4.5 horsepower, 400. It outperforms Ferrari. Its cars are remarkable. So one thing to remember with the convertible as well, when the track comes down, it's actually up. You don't have to do any It's actually, I was actually surprised. It's about 1 to 3. 3 hard tops to 1 to 3. Yeah, let me show you this real quick. This right here is the same thing here as far as your space. Yeah, you can actually put 2 full bags of golf clubs. But when the top comes down on the convertible, it comes down over this area here. It doesn't affect that at all whatsoever. And then you have those aerodynamic, like in the Lamborghini convertibles, with your head, so that the dynamics stay all the way down.
What do you have in the front?
I'm sorry?
What's in the front?
Oh, it holds about a travel size bag. It's not a lot.
Enough for a couple of
Small little bags, overnighters. The back latch is actually powered. So when you lift it down, you just go ahead and slide it down to this position, and then it catches automatically. There you go. So you'll not be sorry if you get one, I promise you.